This is a short tutorial about how to submit Google Docs through Canvas. Um, so it's very easy. The first time there is a setup you have to do, which I've already done, so I can't show on this computer. But you would click Submit the Assignment or Resubmit Assignment in this case. Click on that button on the page where the student would submit their assignment, and Google Doc will appear here. The first time you set it up, you click on Google Doc and set up the file, and after that it will connect automatically. You need to give Canvas permission to use Google Docs, and it's quite easy. So here I'll click the Google Docs. It will read in all my current files from Google Drive. So this is from this term, my Emporium math class. So if I had an assignment here somewhere that I wanted to submit, I could just open those files. So here's a worksheet. So I could put this in just by clicking Submit the Assignment, and whatever it is uploaded in a Microsoft format. If it's a spreadsheet from Google Sheets, it goes up as an Excel file. If it's a Google Doc, it goes up as a Word file. And if it's a slideshow, then it goes up as a PowerPoint. It's really quite easy. They get a timestamp and date, and their assignment's done. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions.